Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. I've got the Trading Cube up. Trading Cube is a tool that's available to you on TA today. You just simply come to the tools and choose the Trading Cube. What it really tells you is multiple things. I mean, there's a lot of data in here, depending on if you're looking at a stock and so forth, some fundamental data, all of the tables that drive these charts and the cube. And of course in the cube itself, what you have is you have a situation where this thing is telling you on these time frames, this is the qualified trend. But not only that, there's an MTTF, mean time to failure. How long, or what is the cumulative failure rate probability of this, in this case, index, or sector index. So the IYT, and I also have, stock, sector, general market. In this case, the IYT, of course, is a sector, so it doesn't have but the IYT. If I went to a stock, let's just take Apple or something, you would actually see Apple, the sector it's in, and the general market. Going back to the IYT, though, if we look at it, this is telling us that the mean time to failure, how long it's going to be before it fails, is already 30%, right? When it starts getting up into the 50s and 60s, you have to start thinking about it. If it gets to the 70s, then you really have to be concerned. The 70s on this type of trend is 40 bars. We're only at 16 bars, so this can go for a while. But on the weekly, it's quite extended, right? We can already see that it's way nosebleed territory. That tells you this is probably not a sector I want to sit in for a long time. But if I push to something like the XLE, I can see it's bullish on all time frames, and on all time frames it's fresh. It's just getting going. That looks to me like a much better place to be concentrating money for a longer period of time. The Trading Cube, a great way to find out just what your odds are on a longer, or actually on multiple time frames.